live with her.
Assam Rifles has now begun harnessing the football talent of the Northeast and has created a residential football academy with Baichung Bhutia football schools. This is the first Baichung Bhutia football school residential program in the Northeast and provides the football-loving youth of the region an opportunity to excel in the sport. The dream of India playing in the FIFA World Cup by 2050, with players from the Northeast in the national team, will be actively pursued in the state. A special program was conducted on Monday for signing the Memorandum of Understanding between Assam Rifles and Baichung Bhutia football schools.
This is our first residential academy in Northeast. We already have 3 in different parts of the country. So Northeast obviously being one of the football hub and a lot of talent comes out of Northeast. So we thought that it's important we set up a residential academy. We already have a lot of Northeast players in our residential academy. In fact, one of them from Shillong is already playing for under-16 in India. So I think that shows that the number of talent players it is. So we're very honoured and privileged to tie up with Assam Rifles Public School and I hope we can get some good footballers out of the centre.